Part C. It says the first three terms of an arithmetic sequence this time are given, and we have them here. And in Part C it says find the value of D, given your answer as an integer. So the common difference here. So the common difference we know is either u2 minus u1, or we can say u3 minus u2. It's just any term minus the one before it. So I'm going to use u2 minus u1. Now, let's go and substitute in what u2 is. This is log base 2 of x on 2 minus log and of 2 of x. And notice that they have the same bases. It's log base 2, log base 2. So we can use the same base law here because it's two logs with the same base and there's just a minus sign. And it's going to become one log with that same base, and it's this term in this bracket divided by this term. So it's going to be log 2, our x on 2 divided by x. Now I've just written it like this just to show that we can change this to a multiplication and flip this and it'll become 1 on x. And notice that the x's will actually cancel out and we're just left with a half. So this will be log 2 of 1 half once the x's cancel out. Okay, I'm nearly there. I can write 1 half as 2 to the power of negative 1. So I'm going to do that. Remember your power laws. This is log base 2 of 2 to the negative 1. I can bring the 2 up as a negative 1 power. I can use the power rule, which says that the negative 1 can come down at the front, so which is negative 1 log base 2 of 2. And finally, log base 2 of 2 we know is just 1, so it's going to be negative 1 times 1. So therefore, our common difference is negative 1. Okay, that's the answer to part C.